Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Dian dengan NIM D0322009. Jadi di sini saya akan membacakan materi mengenai A Program for City Construction oleh W. Gropius dan M. Wagner pada 1943. Prospect of Ideal Communities. Hirtech of premature subdivision, the corporation will also have power to supervise enforce reconstruction of all capital investments as this depreciate. Land ownership, following German examples, is in municipal hands. Science housing must be located close to job opportunities. The people should be moved to small suburban communities of about 1/4 to 3/4 of square mile. Where possible, the communities should be close to superhighways and should be composed of a variety of housing types. Selanjutnya, konten analisis. Bagian A, assumptions. Man's environment must be at human scale if it is to contribute of all to this well-being. For to have more modern, man needs to live in an environment which bring him into touch with the rural virtues. In the urban-rural synthesis, which is proposed here, he finds the construct require both for recreation and as stimulus. One can detect an aversion to some of the consequences of contemporary existence as in the wish to reduce reliance on cars. B. Form. The node is in the shape of a crescent around a community center. Thus, a community center resembling London's Peckham Health Centers will be the social focus which is so essential to a good neighborhood life. The environs of the new town units are legally farms and woodland to provide sustenance during depression periods. Each town is to be clearly separated from other nuclei. Its size is limited by its pedestrian scale to about 1/2 to 1 mile in diameter. C. Circulation. The road network is designed to permit pedestrian access the throughput without the necessity of crossing vehicular paths. Aggregate street length is to be minimized. The population. The optimum population is stated to be about 5 to 10 people. This is based rather generally on physiological contact group. For example, reference is made to the observable success of the New England to meeting. Yang kelima, bagian E, density. Density level is apparently derived by reconciling the area within a 15-minute wealthy reduced with the desired population. The scheme saw overall gross densities of 4 to 10 dwelling units per acre. Terakhir, consideration of future growth. Netons apparently are to be built in one operation. There is no consideration given to whether further change can be accommodated in the more remote future. In already developed areas, a government agency, through its power to acquire land, will develop vacant tracts and, directly or indirectly, rehabilitate existing structure. The place of the ideal community in urban planning. Evaluation. This project is similar to others such as Stan's Granville design, particularly is in its firm concept. However, it calls for the question, can control as right as to envisage here ever be instituted except under the most unusual circumstances. With respect to the said plan, there are grounds to question and desirability of full desex in excess of a fourth of a mile in length. It is not clear where there is a place for facilities with a clientele and service area exceeding those of the community. High schools department stores, which presumably are set to serve the persons or groups of about 10 communities. Finally, though the choice of 5,000 people is a plausible one, is unique desirability is far from established by this essay. As an example of open-ended thinking directed to the opportunities presented by the post-war period, this has considerable value, coming as it did from a major architect. It probably had considerable impact on men not previously brought into contact with many of the ideas current for 2 decades in planning circles. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.